Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to set or how to do a scheduled meeting on Zoom application. So the first thing we have to do, open our Zoom application, and right after that you will have an options options here. So the first one is for creating a new meeting. The second one is for joining the meeting so that you already got the link from someone, and this one for the scheduled meeting, and this one is for share screen. So since we want to create a scheduled meeting, go with the schedule, and right after that you can just type the name of the meeting. So let's say here weekly meetings agenda, and now we just need to adjusting the time. Where do you want to have the meeting? You can adjusting the dates. Let's say you have a meeting at Sunday at 8 in the morning, and then you just need to go click done. And you can also set the durations. You can make it like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour 35 minutes. Okay, whenever you're done, you just need to go click this done, and you just need to go click save. So that is the way how to create the scheduled meeting with Zoom application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.